Hello everyone, welcome back to BSc Geography Notes. In this session on cartography, we are going to learn about the concept of scope of cartography and its history and also the advantages of map. In this session, we study about ancient and medieval period only. We can study the modern period of history of cartography in the next session. Let's start the session. Scope of cartography. Scope of cartography is wide. It includes various aspects including scale, projection, field surveys, analysis, representation, etc. It captures the real existence objects like physiography, water, road, forest, settlements, etc. and also abstract things like environment, literacy, empowerment, etc. It includes a very simple geographic projection system for the conversion of spherical Earth surface into a 2D representation on the plain paper. At visualization level, it can do both 2D and 3D. It is both statistic and dynamic in nature as cartography uses GIS-enabled cartography which supports both real-time query and mapping. Next is advantages of maps. Maps are more objective and more efficient than verbal description. A map makes it simpler to visualize and understand the spatial pattern. Maps can be useful sources of data and can give an historical perspective. Maps can be used to solve complex problems. Next is history of cartography. In this session, we only study about the ancient and medieval period of cartography. The history of cartography can be tracked back to the Babylonian era in 2300 BC. This work was also notable among ancient Greeks as they were well aware of the spherical earth till 350 BC, later on accepted by all. It had travelled from the wooden carved block in 15th century to engraved copper plates in the 16th century to modern high-tech printing. However, modern cartography emerged during World War I with the use of aerial photography. The ultra-modern form of cartography emerged with the emergence of GIS during 1970s and 80s. Earlier in the paper maps, both data and presentations were used to be kept together. First, ancient period of cartography up to 600 AD. Mankind, since its earlier period, has developed the practice of making some drawings of their surroundings using various medias ranging from earth and parts of trees to metallic objects. It was present in advanced form among Egyptians, Babylonians, and Greeks alike. In fact, the seeds of modern cartography had been sown by the Greek geographers like Aristotle, Herodotus, Eratosthenes, Ptolemy, etc., who recognized Earth as spherical with latitudes and longitudes. The Anaximander prepared the first world map, followed by Herodotus, Eratosthenes, and Ptolemy. They were the first to develop projection system. In India, cartographic roots goes back to the Vedic period and in the ancient period with astronomical contributions rendered by great scholars like Aryabhatta, Varahamihira, and Bhaskara. The important discoveries like the rotation of the earth and the calculation of the earth's circumference are major contributions. Next is the medieval period from 600 to 1500 AD. The art and science of making map was termed as cartography during this period. The origin of the word cartography goes towards two words charte and graphy, coined in 1838 by a Portuguese scholar Manuel Francisco de Barros e Sousa Visconde Alexander M. During this period, the print technology with the advent of copperplate printing technology made significant progress in cartography during 15th and 16th centuries. This enabled the duplication extremely easier. It progressed with the explanation of New World by various voyagers. These gradual developments finally culminated into new map products like atlas and other map types. Subsequently, thematic cartography came into existence when socio-economic survey and population censuses were started. It is regarded as, that is, the medieval period of cartography is regarded as the Renaissance period of cartography, with significant contributions in the development of cartography, especially in the Western world. This period witnessed important developments due to advancements in the mathematical geography by Arab geographers, and it was the era of great travelers like Columbus, Marco Polo, and their contributions in the preparation of maps of various explored lands. Thank you.